Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5083769 or KB5082417 on your Windows 11 computer because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in services in Windows search box. Click on services. Find Windows Update in the list, scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find app readiness at the very top somewhere you will find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click, click on restart. Now you can go back to Windows Update. If you see retry option over here, you can hit retry and then check. If that does not work, you can go to Windows Update. Here you can see pause update option. You can hit pause. And once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then let it install and then check. If that does not work, the next step is to run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in PowerShell in Windows search box. Make a right click on Windows PowerShell. Make sure that you run PowerShell as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. So copy the first command. Paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once done, copy the second command, copy the complete command, paste it, hit the enter key. Once done, run the third command, again paste it, hit the enter key. And once this is done, you can run the last command, paste it, hit the enter key. These commands will do these things and then restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working, run this command. So type in cmd in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. This will run a scan. Once the scan is complete, you can copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is complete, you can copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, restart your PC and then you can check. Still not working, the next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5083769, or if you're receiving error with this update, you can write down the name of update. Over here in the search box, you can type in the name of the update, click on search, and then check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. And then in my case, the version is 25H2. And then check your system type, open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. In my case, the system type is 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. So if you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5083769 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then follow the on-screen instruction and you can install this update manually and then restart your PC and then check. Next step is to close all kinds of third-party application or services running on your computer. Uninstall third-party application, like if you have anti-cheat program like Faceit, anti-cheat, Riot, Vanguard, you can uninstall it, restart your PC and then update. Next step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Here you can see advanced option, click on it. Go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. And once this is done, restart your PC and then check. Now, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. on this website, scroll down here, you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file, and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here, and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.